Here on Garrett's Guitar Lessons here, and today we're going through Long Cool Woman by the Hollies. Alright, here's the intro. So it's going to start out open on the 6th string, hammer-on from the open to 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then open on the 4th, open on the 3rd, and then 5th fret on the 4th string. Alright, now this is almost kind of just like an E minor chord right there. So while those open 4th string and 3rd string are happening, it's a perfect time to kind of move your fingers up to that 5th fret on the 4th string. Alright, now after he hits that 5th fret on the 4th string, he's going to go open on the 3rd string, and then 4th fret on the 4th string, and then open on the 3rd and 2nd, 2nd fret on the 4th string, open on the 3rd and 2nd, and then open on the 4th, open on the 3rd again. Then he's going to hit the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then open on the 4th string. Then he's going to go to the 3rd fret on the 6th string. Alright, now once he hits his 3rd fret right there, his picking pattern is going to go to the open 4th and open 3rd. So it's going to go down to the 2nd fret on the 6th string, 4th and 3rd, open, back to the 3rd fret, open on the 4th and 3rd, 5th fret, open on the 4th and 3rd, and then 3rd fret, 2nd. Alright, let's see that again. Next on the main riff of the song, which is basically just like an E blues riff. It's going to be E5, E6, E7. Now that's going to be E, kind of like a power chord. My first finger's on the 5th fret, 2nd string. 3rd finger's moving up to the 4th fret on the 5th string. And now I'm also going up to the 5th fret on the 5th string. Alright? Back to the 4th fret after that. So all downs right there, and I'm palm muting right there. Now next, I'm going to basically do the same thing, except I'm going to be up on the first E. Now I'm going to do that twice. Up, up, and then 4th fret, 5th fret, 4th fret. Alright? Now most of the song consists of that riff right there over that E. Now during the verse, once he starts singing, it's going to be that E riff once, then he's going to hit the G5 chord, just like a power chord right there, for 2 beats, and then up to an A5 for 2 beats too. Now what happens after that G5 for 2 beats and A5 for 2 beats is inconsistent. The first and third time he only does one measure of that. So only one part, the first half of that E riff right there, and then the whole thing starts repeating. So then you need that whole E riff right there. The second and fourth time he actually does the whole E riff and then starts over again. So you have to kind of listen and follow along with that. Now the hardest part of the chorus is actually not playing it, it's actually going to be counting it. So we have an A5, similar riff, it's going to be a 2nd fret, 4th fret, 2nd fret, 4th fret on the 4th string there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up, up, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 2 measures of that A, and then we're going to go to B. Now the B happens for 3 measures here, and here it's just kind of like a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's on beat 2 and 4. I'm adding my pinky on the 6th fret right there. Now that's quite a stretch. So if you can't do that, you can just kind of strum a B power chord right there just to help us along. Again, the hardest part here is actually just counting that. That's 3 measures of that B right there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. After that, we're going to the A riff for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4. G for 1 measure, so just like a G5, and then E riff. But this time it's only for 1 measure right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right back to the A. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4. G for 1 measure again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have this new E riff. Now this riff again is a little inconsistent, but I kind of broke it up into 2 parts so that way we can have some sort of way to practice it. So a good way to think about this or to visualize it is going to be just over an E chord. Essentially what he's doing is he's just kind of hammering on each finger of that E chord right there. So here's the first one. what that is, that's a 6th string open, the 3rd fret, with my 1st finger already on it, 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to hammer on the open to 2nd fret on the 5th string, open on the 4th, and then repeat that part again. Open on the 5th string, hammer on the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then open on the 4th again. Now the second riff is very similar, and this happens the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th time here. I'm going to be hitting open on the 3rd string, hammer on my 1st finger, and then hit the 6th string right there. Now I'm going to add my 3rd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. I'm going to hit it once without the 6th string, and then here I'm just going to be using my pick on the 6th string, 3rd finger on the 4th string, and hit that 2 more times. And now I'm going to be going open on the 5th, 2nd fret on the 5th string, open on the 4th, open on the 6th string, and then that same thing again. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Check out GarrettsGuitarLessons.com for more free lessons and resources, and even a PDF tab of everything that I covered today. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.